Hello everyone, myself Dr. Pooja Shaw. I am cosmetologist, skin expert. So I am from Kolkata. So today we will learn BeAttitude Fire and Ice facial treatments. Shall we start? So firstly we will do our AHA and BHA cleanser. Why AHA BHA cleanser? It's basically give you proper cleansing things. Her skin is basically sensitive and highly pigmented. So we will do first step is cleansing AHA and BHA Fire and Ice. So cleansing is very important part of any facial treatments. Cleansing is very important. Why it is important? Because first time cleansing is deeply penetrate, it deeply cleans your face first surface. Second cleansing it will be deeper cleaner. So two time cleansing is very important for any treatment you are doing. After cleansing, we will do fire and ice pack. The fire pack. Do not use your pack top of the eyes and above the lips. Only which area I am showing, only that area you will use the packs. Wait for 10 minutes. So after using the fire pack, it's already she is feeling heated. So now we will remove that pack with the damp cotton or with a tissue. After using firing pack and removing it, now she feel little heated. Now we are going to use a calming serum. Calming serum we will use minimum 5 pumps for overall the face. 4 and 5. This is calming serum. This calming serum is giving her face so smooth and shine and as well cool down. How we are feeling? Fine. Now I am going to use ice pack. Without removing the serum, I am using on top of her face and skipping the lip area and eye area. Now we are going to remove that pack. Here. After removing her pack, you can see how clean her face and properly hydrated. Now I am going to use rejuvenated serum and mixing into that ice shot. With help of microneedling, I am using microneedling for deeper penetration. This is basically facial, finalized facial and treatment as well you can do. Now I am going to use mixing with ice shot. Now I'm going to use micro needling for more deeper penetration. Just I'm going to use nano needling for deeper penetration and make into 0.25 mm. Just light micro needling for deeper penetration. You can increase it for 0.75 or 1.0 for the deeper penetration. You're fine now? Yes. You can see her pigmentation almost gone and her skin is getting glowing. If you don't have derma pen roller or derma roller, you can use your hand for more deeper penetration. Just light circular motion, you can penetrate your serum. If you don't have derma pen or micro needling, you can do hand massage for deeper penetration for her relaxation. See the glow, the magical glow with the fire and ice treatment. Now I'm going to use SPF 50. Do not remove the serum. Apply directly sunscreen. You can see the finishing. So this is the final result of Fire and Ice facial treatment. So I hope you can enjoy my video. Thank you.